everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm back with the remaining month of March reading. This is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So let's see what is coming up for my fishies for the remaining month time, starting from the 22nd through the 31st of March 2021. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading. I will be pulling out charms as well, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see what is coming up for my fishies for the remaining month time. Hold on, let me see. Yep. What's happening for my fishies for the remaining month time? Let's begin. Wow, Three of Cups, you would be feeling happy, excited. You might be having a lot of fun time with your friends and family as well. I do see that, I do see you enjoying your life to the point where you are not focused on just one area of your life. It's more like, you are pretty much everywhere. You are having good time with your friends, you are having good time with your family, you are happy with everything that is going on in your life. Love life, work life, home life situation, everything seems perfect. Why? Because you are pretty much like, keeping yourself busy. You are pretty much keeping yourself active. You're not isolating yourself. You're not, doing things which makes you feel bad, sad at all. You are happy with your with your peeps is what I'm picking up. And I do see you very happy about yourself as well. Let's see more cards here. Wow, fishies, you are the magician right now. And I feel like, this will be the, especially if you could match or resonate with this energy, it's a perfect time for you to manifest whatever you want. Whatever it is that you want for yourself, like, love life situation, your personal situation, if you want to lose weight, if you want to gain weight, if you want to become perfect you, if you want to work on yourself, your mental health, physical health, emotional health, if you want to manifest a life partner, if you want to manifest a specific someone, whatever it is that you want to manifest, the energy, the vibe that you're carrying right now, and the way your life is busy right now, I feel like, you can manifest anything very easily. You are the magician right now. You can have whatever you want. And with this kind of attitude towards life, towards everything that is happening in your life, it's perfect, for you to use this time to bring forth whatever it is that you desire. Use affirmations, visualization, prayers, meditations, all these things to ask for whatever it is that you want. Now whenever you're using affirmation or any of the techniques during this time, especially I'm saying during this time because the vibe is so beautiful, don't overdo things. You have the tendency of doing of overdoing things, which definitely becomes a block for my fishies many a times. It's very important for you to, maybe you could script around it, whatever it is that you want. Maybe you could just give 5 to 10 minutes telling yourself, telling the universe, telling the god that you believe in, that these are the things I want to manifest for myself for this week time, for this month time, for whatever it is, or however you want to go about it. Let the god know, let the universe know that these are the things that you want, and then keep yourself busy exactly the way you are. Your situations will change magically. Whatever it is that you want, whatever it is that you desire, it will come true very easily, as if you said it and it's happened. Like, it's going to be that quick. So make sure you make the most of this time, this energy that you are in right now, so you could manifest the life that you desire, be that in any area of your life. Let's see more cards here. Eight of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles. Wow, beautiful energy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful energy coming up for my fishies. It seems like, the remaining month is going to be the time where you are pretty much doing the things that make you feel good. If spending time with a specific someone makes you feel good, you are doing that. If spending time alone makes you feel good, you are doing that. If spending time with the friends and family, that makes you feel good, you are doing that. And everything that you are repeating, doing, that makes you feel good, positive, happy, excited about your life, that's gonna bring forth all the other things in your life that you feel or you might have felt stuck in. So this vibe that you are having right now, it's very important to significant, I would say. This vibe is very significant for you to attract the things that you desire in your life, because this is the thing which is going to make you become the magnet of all that you desire. You are not focused on one area of your life. You are just happy. You're just doing the things that make you feel good. Workout, gym, parks, spa, whatever it is that makes you feel good about yourself, about your life overall. You're doing all of it. I do see you investing your time and energy doing the things that make you feel powerful, great, positive, and that's you. I don't see any love life specific thing happening here in these cards. So I will be pulling some other cards to see what's coming up for you in your love life. But let's see what's underneath the deck. Wow, for fonts. For majority of you, maybe you are like not at all focused on your on a specific someone, not because you don't want a specific someone, maybe because you are just trying to be yourself and trying to enjoy your life the way it is right now without focusing heavily on a specific relationship, person, or something around those lines. Let's see what is coming up for my fishies for this week time, for the remaining month time, in their love life. Let's see what's happening in your love life. Let's see what's happening in your love life. For some of you, maybe you are, you are doing your thing. You are letting your person do their thing. So whenever they are ready, whenever they are like, ready to give in to the connection, they will come towards you. Meanwhile, you are not chasing them. Let's see what's coming up for you in your love life for the remaining month time. Seven of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. And in the deck, we do have the Nine of Swords. I feel like, when it comes to your love life situation, there are certain things that bothers you at times, and you are trying to escape that mindset right now. You're keeping yourself busy doing the things that you want. Why? Because you don't want to think about the love life situation, because there is something which is not happy in your love life. Now, to attract that happy love life situation, I do see that you are keeping yourself busy during the remaining month time, which is definitely going to bring you what you want, what you desire in your love life. Like I said earlier, this energy is something, the more you keep yourself busy doing something else, the more you keep your focus off from your love or a specific someone and give that focus to other areas of your life which are happy, happening, and everything good, your love life situation will also get you what you desire. Stop chasing a person. I don't see you chasing any person right now, to be very honest. Any relationship right now, you're doing good for yourself. That's the energy which is going to make you the magnet to all that you desire. So I do see that you will be getting your wish fulfilled because you have let it go, let it be, let it come to you when it's prepared. You are not checking your phone again. You are not checking your person again. You are not stalking them at all. You are letting things have their due time to mature enough to come to you to give you what you have asked for. You are the magician. You can definitely have anything that you want right now. The remaining month is definitely going to be a significant time for you to manifest the life that you desire. Now, it's very important for my fishes, if you really want your wish fulfilled regarding your love life situation, you have to keep yourself busy doing whatever that makes you feel good. That's going to be the key here to the success that you desire to have in your love life with a specific someone. I do see you getting your wish fulfilled. Being busy, or if you keep yourself busy, that's going to bring you what you want. Now let's see oracle cards. Now let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Fishes are happy playing with their mates. You are a light worker. God needs you to shine divine light and love like an angel upon the earth and all of its inhabitants. I feel like you are just being you, fishies. You are just being the kind person that you are. It's more like you are embracing the true self that you are. Maybe you have in the past or in the recent past, maybe you have tried to be somebody else just to win a person's heart or win a person's attention. I feel like you are now embracing yourself the way you are. You are just doing the things that makes you feel good, that makes you feel like as if you are following your life purpose or something. It's then, or it's in that moment when you become magnet of everything. And I feel like if there has been a stuck or stagnant energy in your love life, that energy will start moving forward as you put your attention on yourself, on your inner peace, happiness, and work on that. As you heal yourself, as you love yourself, as you work towards your inner happiness, I'm not saying that you will be feeling very good about your love life. I don't see that. With the Nine of Swords energy underneath the deck, underneath that you do have Two of Cups and the King of Pentacles, but it's going to be like a constant effort that you would be putting in. I do see that there will be like, maybe when you get in your bed, when you think about your love life, maybe you're going to miss a specific someone. Maybe you're going to wish that you had a specific someone in your life. Now, when you have that thought, switch it. Switch it to something positive, maybe an affirmation or something. But again, don't overdo things during this time. It's not the right time to overdo things. It's time for you to chill, enjoy, just relax and enjoy your life the way it is. Um, try to just go easy around your love life for sure, because that's going to be the thing that is much needed here for my fishies. As they do so, the love life blocks will be removed for sure. Let's see one card from this deck, and then we're going to take some charms and maybe another oracle card as well. Simple acts of kindness energizes you and brings happiness to those around you. It's going to be a very good time for you to be kind and generous to yourself and the people around you. How do you do that? You just take the tension away. Try to just enjoy every small bit of your life right now and try to be kind to yourself more than anything else, because that's something that fishes always miss out on, because they always care about others. They forget to take care of them. So just be kind to yourself as you stay kind to the others around you. So yeah, let's take one more card and then we're going to take the charms. Sacred self. Unleash your spirit. Express your gifts. Dance to the sacred rhythm of life. Wow, that's exactly what you are doing here. I do see you doing that. And for those of you who are still struggling, like I said, start doing the things that make you feel good about yourself, about your life the way it is. Indulge into the things that make you feel good. Keep yourself busy out and about. If you are somebody who's habitual to get in isolation, think negative and stuff like that, try to mingle with as much people as you can. Try to keep yourself busy as much as you can. Invest your time and energy into the things that's going to keep you busy, happy, excited at the same time, so you attract more of the reasons to stay happy, busy and fun. Let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms have to add to the reading for my cookies. So we do have just one alphabet, which is a G. It can be your name, initial of the person that you are dealing with. And then we do have a dove, and I think it's a dove or a duck, which is a symbol of peace and serenity. Again, I feel like it's gonna be a good time for you to embrace the peace within and try to slow down and don't chase anything right now. Just relax, just let things happen, and meanwhile you just try enjoy having fun with your life. Try to work on your inner peace, whatever that can bring you inner peace, work towards that. So keep yourself busy as well, because that too is going to bring you what you want. No more you worrying about your love life or anything. Just go with the flow, enjoy your life as you wait for some things to turn well for you in your love life. So be kind to yourself and generous to yourself and others as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for my fishes for the remaining month's time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.